Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Applinked application to your Fire Stick as well as the best codes to use inside that app. It's going to allow you to jailbreak your Fire Stick or in other words to load hundreds of amazing applications which are not available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And there are all kinds of apps. Movie applications, TV shows, live TV, sports, adult apps, and so on. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact applications available in that app store. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to set it up. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just go to search on your device and start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to the settings by clicking on that button with the gear icon. Then you have to scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options. So now let's open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then you'll have to go to install unknown apps. From here you just locate Downloader, there it is, and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now, without any further ado, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is. We open it, wait until it loads, and then here you'll see the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, we got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server, let's say I will connect to Hungary, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video, or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So let's open up the Downloader application, wait until it loads for you. Then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then in that search bar, we'll need to enter a link, which is going to be applinked.store. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's applinked. .store. So here you go, here's the link, you can see it on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the link is not going to work. After that you have to click on go, And while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And after that, just click on the download app linked button, and in a couple of moments the download is going to start. Usually it doesn't take long. Then you have to click on install and wait until the app linked application gets installed to your Fire Stick device. Then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from our Fire Stick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because we don't have too much of free space on your device anyway. Then we'll have to go to settings once again, here we are, to My Fire TV, Developer Options, Install Unknown Apps, and this time we'll have to turn that option on for the app linked as well. It's a must because we'll be using app linked to download other applications from the internet. Now finally we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here, and there you'll find app linked, which we just downloaded. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected before using such apps to stay safe and out of trouble. Then I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way AppLink is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Then let's finally open AppLink. And from here basically what you have to do is click on the add a store here, and then there will be entering our codes. So the first code is going to be 675168 So it's 675168 Then we click on next, click add, and now we should go to the saved stores category, and from here just select that code from the list, click on open. And here I had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available inside, but in your case of course it's not going to be blurry. So here you'll find all kinds of movie applications, TV shows, apps, live TV applications, IPTV players, and so on. So this app store doesn't have too many applications, but all of them are updated and should work fine on your device. Now let's go back and I'll show you a couple more codes for today. So we need to click on add a store again, and now the code is going to be 7160. So once again the code is 7160. Click on next, click on add just like previously. Then once again we go to saved stores, select that new code from the list, click on open, and then in that app store you'll find some ITV applications, IPTV players, as well as movie apps, remote access applications, documentary movies, utility applications, some adult apps for your Fire Stick, file management applications, and so on. So that's a pretty decent app store. Now let's go back and I'll show you a couple more codes. So we need to click on add a store again, and now the code is going to be 980606. So once again it's 980606. Then we click on next, add a code, go to saved stores and select the new code from the list. And after it opens you'll find a lot of movie applications, more than in the previous app stores, and there are really a lot of them. Then some TV applications and a couple of amazing IPTV players. Now we go back and I'll show you the last code for today. It's going to be 81574. Click on next, add the code to your list, then let's select it and open it of course. And there's the app store. So here you'll find once again a lot of movie applications, TV shows applications, TV apps, IPTV players, media players, utility applications, as well as some alternative app stores. So today you learned how to get app links to your Fire Stick, as well as the best codes to use inside that app. Hope the video is helpful and see you next time. Bye bye.